Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel Learn Now from your learning partner. In this video, we will be learning on how to rename a column in an existing data file and save it as a new file in Excel using Pandas. Before we start, if you are new to Python, don't worry. We will explain everything you need to know, so please watch our playlist mentioned above. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out your learning. To access our Excel file, simply double-click on it and it will automatically open with Microsoft Office. As you can observe, the file is already open and displays data where we have and multiple column, and we will be renaming department column to general in our existing data. So let's start with Python. Renaming a column is a common task that you may need to perform when working with data. With Pandas, the process is very straightforward. First, you need to import Pandas library into your script import pandas as PD. Next, you need to load the existing data file into a Pandas DataFrame. For example, let's say we have a data file named data.csv. The Python code is df equal to pd.readcsv. Now, let's say we want to rename the old name to new name for column. We can do this using the rename method and passing a dictionary with the old and new column names as the key value pairs. The formula will be df is equal to df.rename. Bracket open column is equal to old column name department, then semicolon and new column name general. Here we will replace the old name of department to general as a new column name. Finally, to save the modified data frame as a new Excel file, you can use the df.csv function and specify the file name and path. Then we will run the code. Once the code is finished, we can verify our result. Hence, we will open the CSV file from the above path and we'll check the result. We can see the department column name is renamed to general in our database. And that's it. You now know how to rename a column in an existing data file and save it as a new file in Excel using Pandas. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out on your learning. Our upcoming next video, we will be discussing how to rearrange the column.